Looking for a fun and easy way to make money? Look no further. In this video, I'll reveal an amazing free app that allows you to earn real money by simply playing games. No cash out minimums, no fake cash, just cold hard cash that you can withdraw anytime and in any amount you desire. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Say goodbye to those long waiting periods for your earnings. With Boints app, you can receive your real money within 5 minutes. Plus, if gift cards are more your style, you can also earn them for free right from your phone. And if that wasn't enough, you can even choose to receive PayPal cash. Boints is a true make money app. No fake cash and easy to earn real money. Make money playing games, cash out anytime, any amount. No cash out minimum, no fake cash. Get paid real money within 24 hours. Earn free gift cards from your phone or get PayPal cash. Play games and get paid today. Any amount you accrue, you can cash out right away. Fast cash out with no cash out minimum. Boints is the best app for cash. Download games on Google Play to make money. It's the easiest and fastest way to make money, hence the best apps for cash. For every minute you play, you earn real money. So why not make extra money playing Google games and apps? Boints has over 1 million downloads and more 47,000 reviews with 4.1 rate. Boints provides the industry's best rewards and vetted offers to enhance user experience. Get free PayPal cash or vouchers, or vanilla gift cards, or Steam gift cards, or other available gift cards. Start now to earn rewards and make money from your phone with Boints app. Cash out today. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.